Nature, the last frontier. You know, out here in Big Bear, we really respect nature. We respect all of the animals, the creatures of the forest. And right here is a little freshwater creek coming down from the snow melt. There's some folklore that says there's gold in these creeks because of the new melting snow, the rocks crumbling, carrying down some gold nuggets. We're going to be panning out here and camping, the little woman and I. A little gold panning. It's a beautiful, beautiful place here in California. And we just hope y'all enjoy yourselves and come out here. Look at these beautiful trees up here. And I don't know if you know this, but the Irakawi Indians, who were the cave dwellers here in the mountains of Big Bear over 5,000 years ago, were actually here to try and domesticate and preserve this national forest. And I heard this from Huell Howser. Anyway, adios, amigos. Beautiful, serene. It's Big Bear Lake National Forest. Here in the early spring, the snow is melting. Ah, look at these beautiful pines with blue sky right behind them. Everything you want in nature, including a rest area. Oh, yeah. You're tired of hiking the beautiful national forest? You just come over to the Ranger's Couch. Have a seat, set a spell, take your shoes off. Y'all come back now, you hear?